How to buy coins on Phantom Wallet tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you this quick and easy tutorial in order to buy some coins here on your Phantom Wallet. Now you can go ahead and do this method from your Windows computer as an extension or as an application on your mobile devices. Now the first thing that you want to do is to head over to the application or to the Phantom Wallet extension right here. You want to go ahead and enter your password, and once inside, we can then go ahead and see three options or four options in order to go ahead and navigate through the dashboard of our account. You have receive, send, swap, and buy. Of course, you want to click on the buy section, and from here, we can then go ahead and select a coin that we want to buy on our Phantom Wallet. Now let's go ahead and say that I want to buy some meme coins right here for my row, so I'll just click on it. From here, you want to enter the amount of USDT or USD you want to spend. Let's just go ahead and say that I want to buy 20 US dollars amount of this coin right here. So you want to go ahead and choose the payment method. And from here, you can then go ahead and click on continue. Right after clicking on buy, it will then go ahead and open up this page right here, where once again you want to select the continue button. Go ahead and register or sign in using your email and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.